Okay, good morning and welcome to a new trading video. And we're going to discover today what we're gonna expect on the market this week. And yeah, as we see, this is really unfortunate. And why? I have one explanation. Yesterday we already covered this trade why this has been a stop loss, and then we just let the trade go. So right now we're gonna cover this more because we also need to just keep improving, keep training ourselves. We need to make reps and also learn from our mistakes because what we see happening here. There is like a small supply zone over here, and we overall we're trending down. And as we look up here, when we took a short, we not slightly be above our 50. So okay, we were not there. And what we have internally here is descending uh, highs, which of course we have to take out. And what was actually my original plan, as you see, we also have them here, the descending lows. But I was too impatient to take out these. I was too impatient because I wanted to go already short here. And yeah, maybe I was not clear enough, sharp enough. We will take it into consideration. And underneath this low, of course, there's liquidity as also underneath this low we have also. And so the next time when we enter a trade like this, because when we took the trade, actually, we had like a small confirmation. Of course, the trade was maybe valid, but we had to make sure we got out after, because also here we took out small descending highs, and yeah, still the overall demand zone was still there. It looked actually pretty, but then we started to build this ascending highs, and for me that should have been the trigger to yeah. I mean, I thought we're gonna flash it directly, but apparently also these descending highs have to be taken out, and after that descending lows. So yeah, we have to learn from this mistake. It is really okay. Um, it is data. It's something we can work on the next time. For now, it is okay. What else we are still in? We are still in this trade, and this stop loss is so big actually. Um, yeah, the stop loss is actually a little bit too big. So what I said yesterday, we took out this liquidity here a little bit, but it was very ugly. Then we had some range, small range forming over here, and then we broke out a little bit towards the down before we went up. So which create maybe now a new supply zone of demand zone over here. We are actually in a very big zone, and yesterday I was not really convinced about this trade. I really didn't maybe know why I took it. The stop loss is way too big. The entry is not that good. But anyway, we still expect to take out highs here because these are on the higher time frame descending highs, which is also a liquidity target. And we actually already target the first descending high. And yeah, that's our plan. We have our breakout towards the upside right now. We can just wait until we maybe test back in towards this demand zone. So I also might place an extra limit order right here before we will enter maybe this trade. And yeah, okay, going in towards next chart, we also hit our stop loss on gold. And we actually were very sure yesterday, but we have to keep doing our homework because what happened was again a trend line up and that is actually sometimes liquidity. So we had to wait until this has been taken out. So there could be now a possible upside. Now, once again, I just want to wait for that confirmation until we have like a nice zone of demand in this area. What still have to be formed, and then maybe we will go more long. And we are around the 50 zone now here, so it makes sense. Next time we should show more patience. Yeah, it gives me a stop loss. We're just waiting for that scenario. Maybe to have a demand zone, it can take a few hours, or we just go with a lot of momentum, go up and create a new momentum. I want to show this trade I took yesterday, and yeah, this one is still in play. We also hit try to make our second, yeah, but I don't think this one is a hit. No, unfortunately not. I am in this trade myself, not on the relation system because I didn't want to follow when. And that's okay. We're just waiting now until this one will break. And yeah, then after we might have like a slight forming demand zone. Yeah, actually, we took out this liquidity over here because we targeted a new high. We did. We also just want to go back towards maybe the 50. So we have liquidity underneath this lows here. We want to take that out. And we're just waiting for continuation on this trade. And yeah, maybe it can take days. We will see. It's all good. And yeah, how is it with our USD cat plan? Yeah, as I expected, we don't get our chance yet. Maybe on euro US dollar. No, we also don't get our chance, and that's fine. We already have a dollar pair for now, and yeah, that's mainly our plan. Um, for now, I'm actually on a little bit of a rush. Oh, so we have to learn from these kind of mistakes. Also, gold. Next time we have to stay more patient. It's not always the bias I have. It will not always form, and yeah, it is what it is. We right now just let this trade play out, and we will see what is going to happen. At least we have two trades running, and for me that's good. So focus right now is maybe on an extra entry here, or on a US dollar, or on gold. So we'll just wait patiently, and patience is going to be key because only to take profits already will make my week a very nice week. So we stay patient and let's see what is going to happen.